That's all.
We are putting the chickens to bed. I have no clue where they are.
Well, how can they see your camera? The camera at the ground. There you go.
I have no clue where the chickens are at right now.
They're inside. They're not down. They go to bed when it's dark.
Let's check one more time for eggs. Okay, Nana?
Go ahead. You can look in there at them.
Chickens are in here laying eggs.
No, the other side. Through the door. Through the door.
So right here?
No, round. Hold it up again. Right there. Turn around, right here.
There's a lot of chickens, but 0 eggs.
They can't see in there.
There are 0 eggs, and the chicken is being mean.
Looking for Betty. Where's Betty at?
She's right.
Oh,
No.
there's Betty.
All right, let's. We have no eggs in there. What about in here?
Let everybody see them.
We have no eggs. Right here. We have no eggs. We are going back inside. You coming?
I'll shut the door.
Oh yeah, totally forgot to do that. So you're locking the chickens in?
Yep.
Just so they don't escape overnight.
No, so no predators can get to them.
And these chickens are already safe.
Yep, they're safe.
Once a bear tried to get into a chicken coop. Good thing they had a camera.